So I wanted to show the new quilt set I got. I'm so excited. It still has to get wrinkles out of it, but I wanted to just show it and highly recommend it. It is so soft. Like I said, we just got it yesterday. I put it on last night. So it does still need to get the wrinkles out of it. But those will come out no problem. But if you can see here, the velvet, it is so soft. So I'm loving it. My kids are loving it. Yeah. So if you're looking, and I love the different pattern because all I have are quilts. I have kids, so I have quilts because they're very easy to take off and throw in the washer and in the dryer. And I love the pattern. It's just a different pattern versus all the other ones I have. And it's on this side, it's just the fabric. And then it's the velvet on that side. So, yeah. So cute.